In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset changes to default on elements in Webflow. If you've made a styling change to an element and want to remove that specific override, Webflow makes it very easy to return that property back to its default inherited state. This is especially helpful when you are cleaning up a design, troubleshooting styling issues, or simply deciding that a previous change is no longer needed. To begin, open your Webflow project and go into the designer. Once you are inside your project, find the element on your canvas that you want to reset. This could be a button, a section, a text block, or any other element that has a style change applied to it. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct item because the reset will apply only to the currently selected element and property. With the element selected, move over to the Style panel on the right side of the Webflow designer. This panel is where you manage visual styling, including spacing, size, layout, typography, and more. For this tutorial, focus on the Layout section, since that's where the property we want to reset is located. As you look through the layout settings, find the Style property that is highlighted in blue. In Webflow, a blue highlight usually indicates that the property has been locally changed or overridden. That visual cue is useful because it helps you quickly identify which styles have been manually adjusted and are not simply being inherited from a class or default setting. In this case, locate the display property. Once you see that it's highlighted in blue, click on it. This opens the available options for that property. In the menu, choose Reset. When you click Reset, Webflow removes that local override, which means the element will stop using the custom value you set there, and instead inherit its default styling again. This is a simple but important distinction. You are not deleting the element, and you are not clearing every style on it. You are only resetting that specific changed property so it returns to the default behavior. That makes this a safe and precise way to clean up styling without affecting other design choices on the element. If needed, you can repeat the same process for other blue highlighted properties to remove additional overrides, one at a time. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.